Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So guys, in this video I will tell you one very good opportunity coming from Ordinary School, and this is webinar guys on topics generative AI. And many of you are knowing that the demand of data science day by day increasing. What are the important points you need to keep in mind for placements or for if you want to switch your career in the field of data science or working professional. So in this webinar guys, you will get to know in detail about data science, okay? And this webinar is taken by Suruti Jayakumar, and she is director at Grape Campus, and she is having better skills and knowledge in this field. So she will be taking this webinar guys. And also in case if you have any doubts and query, you can directly contact her on LinkedIn, because her LinkedIn profile URL is there, so you can see her profile is there. And as the director at Grey Campus, Ruth is dedicated to leverage cutting edge technology and innovation approach to enhance learning and career advancements opportunity. Okay, so what the required qualification and skills needed for this opportunity guys? Anyone can apply for this opportunity if you are a student, freshers or working professional and want to switch your career in the field of data science, then you can register for this webinar guys, and no registration fee for this webinar guys, so anyone can apply for this opportunity. Okay, and important date and time for this webinar guys, so timing will be 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. on 19th of April, so you have time, apply as soon as possible for this opportunity guys. So what are the important highlights of this webinar guys, or what are the skills you're gonna learn? So you can see what you will learn. So you can see explore cutting edge generative AI advancement for interview preparation, master practical tips to boost interview performance with AI, adapt and refine strategies for success in a job changing landscape, and gain insight into emerging trends and opportunity in 2024, and get your queries clear in the Ask Shruti session anytime. Okay, so these are the some of the highlights of this webinar guys. Okay, and qualification to already we have discussed, you can join this webinar. This webinar is ideal for job seekers, professional looking to advance their career, HR professional, and anyone interested in staying ahead in the interview game. Okay, so if you are aspiring web developer, students or graduate professionals seeking career advancement and professional looking to transit, then you can apply for this opportunity. Okay, so although we have discussed every important highlight, so before applying, don't forget to check all these things, and also don't forget to check FAQ section, because here some general question answer are already done. So you can see who is the data science webinar for. So if you are a student, fresher or working professional and want to switch your career in the field of data science, then you can register for this webinar guys. And how can I register for this webinar guys? So registration is very simple. So simply you need to fill one application form, and after that they will provide the webinar URL. Okay, and in the registration is free, so no registration fees there, so anyone can apply for this opportunity. Okay, and how can I attend the webinar? So they will provide you one separate URL after registration. Okay, and at last, what can I do after attending the data science webinar? So if you are interested in the field of data science, so they will recommend you on best platform job oriented data science courses. Through that you can start your career in the field of data science. They will teach you, train you, and after that place you, and also many big and good companies hiring through that platform guys. So these are the some of the description they have mentioned about this opportunity. So how you can apply for this opportunity guys? You can see one registration form is there, and no registration fees for this opportunity guys, so anyone can apply for this opportunity. Okay, so just you need to fill your name, last name, email ID, contact number, and year of graduation. So if you are 2024 or 25 batch, then select after 23, and year of experience, so if you are fresher than none. Okay, and after that career gap, and click register and apply for this opportunity. Okay, so this is how you can apply for this opportunity guys. So if you face any problem, you can do comments, and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both apply link and Instagram link given in video description, so check description for more information guys. And also before submitting the form, make sure that you are reaching your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay guys.